Today, we're going to talk about a day that means a lot to many of us, Mother's Day. Let's take a moment to appreciate and honor our moms, who have played the most vital role in shaping us into the people we are today. On Mother's Day, it's essential to remember that it's not just about gifts or cards. It's about taking the time to show your mom how much she means to you. Whether you live near or far, a simple phone call or video chat can go a long way in lifting her spirits. You can also try and spend some quality time together if possible, be it over lunch or dinner, or even just a stroll in the park. The idea is to spend time together and make her feel special. Remember, each family is unique. So, find ways that work for your family and make this day special for your mom. And why stop at just one day? Make every day Mother's Day by showing your appreciation and love for her throughout the year. So, let's make this Mother's Day memorable and joyful for all our moms out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until next time, take care.